If you often feel tired after meals, sometimes everyday inflammation may be part of the reason. But the good news is, simple whole ingredients can help support better balance. Today we're preparing a simple anti-inflammatory lunch bowl, made with colorful ingredients that help support steady energy, gentle digestion, and everyday wellness. We begin with a nourishing base, quinoa. This small grain is naturally rich in plant protein, fiber, and essential minerals, and that helps provide steady energy throughout the afternoon. Unlike many refined carbohydrates, quinoa digests slowly, and that helps provide steady energy throughout the afternoon. Next, we add healthy fats. Avocado brings natural creaminess, along with nourishing monounsaturated fats. These gentle fats help support heart health and may help calm inflammatory processes in the body. They also help make a meal feel satisfying without feeling heavy. Now we begin building color. Roasted sweet potatoes bring natural sweetness and beneficial antioxidants. Spinach adds minerals and gentle plant nutrients that support overall wellness. And cherry tomatoes provide brightness, along with protective compounds like lycopene. When meals include many natural colors, they often deliver a wider range of nourishment. For a little crunch, we add pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds contain zinc, fiber, and plant-based nutrients. Small ingredients like this can quietly improve the balance of a meal. To bring everything together, a drizzle of olive oil and fresh lemon. These simple additions brighten the flavors and help each ingredient shine. And just like that, a colorful anti-inflammatory lunch bowl. Nourishing, balanced, and beautifully simple. If you enjoy calm, nourishing meals like this, subscribe to AmiFresh Kitchen for simple recipes that support everyday wellness. And tell me in the comments, what ingredients would you add to your bowl?